Marjorie, would you please stop banging on the ceiling? The babies are trying to sleep.
No, I can't. My upstairs neighbor keeps stomping. I have to teach him a lesson.
Marjorie, there is no upstairs neighbor. We all live in the same house. Now, please, get down off that chair before you hurt yourself.
No can do. Not until I teach my upstairs neighbor a lesson.
Okay, you know what? Screw it. I'll go talk to him. This is just dumb. Hey, Tyrone, what are you doing?
My house is just dancing.
Okay, that's not dancing. You're just stomping. Can you please not do that?
Hell no. I'm trying to teach my downstairs neighbor that their music is way too loud all the time.
Tyrone, can you... Forget it. It's ridiculous. Okay, Marjorie, I spoke to him. He'll stop if you stop. So please, just stop.
Hey, you listen to me. No, you listen to me. You little brat. Always walking all heavy.